Hey there, want 24/7 access to your accounts, bill pay, and mobile deposits? Signing up for Chase Online Banking is your key to managing your money anytime, anywhere. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to sign up. On chase.com, click Sign up for online access. You'll need your Chase account number, found on your statement or a check, and your social security number. You'll then create a unique username and a strong password. You'll also set up security questions and can enroll in two-factor authentication for extra security right from the start. My crucial pro tip: download the mobile app immediately. The Chase mobile app is incredibly powerful. Set it up with the same login and enable Touch ID or Face ID. This gives you instant access for quick balance checks, mobile deposits, and card security controls on the go. Just like that, you unlock full digital control over your finances. Do you do most of your banking online, or do you still visit a branch regularly? Share your preference in the comments. If digital banking guides empower you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.